If you're heading on a cruise soon or thinking about booking one, this video is for you. I'm Dolly, your cruise plug, and I'm gonna give you 15 cruise hacks and tips that's gonna save you money, keep you organized, and cruise without the stress. Tip number 1, book your cruise in advance. Early bookers lock in lower rates. When you book in advance, you have that flexibility to choose your location, which is important to consider, your cabin type, as well as reserve connecting rooms if you are traveling with a group or family. If you want to cruise sooner than later and you want to save some money, then consider booking an interior room. Now, it's not for everyone, but if you plan on showering, changing, and sleeping only, then definitely consider. If not, then book the room that you want. Now, you need to consider you may not be able to find your ideal location on the ship and your ideal budget. Tip number 2, book your dining and activities in advance. When you do that, there are discounts applied. You have the flexibility to choose your dining time as well as choose your spa appointments. If you wait last minute, you may end up paying more or you'll have a time that's not ideal for you. Tip number 3, bring a backpack or carry-on during embarkation. It's going to be a couple hours before you receive your luggage to your stateroom, so you want to ensure you have everything you need to get your vacation started. This includes your documents, your wallets, a change of clothes, any valuables that you cannot afford to lose. So keep it on you so that there's no issues. As far as your check luggage, if you are flying in and you have multiple luggages, consider separating your clothes so that if anything were to happen to your luggage, you're still able to have some items with you. Tip number 4, skip the buffet during your embarkation. On the first days, most cruisers like to go to the buffets, so you're going to experience long lines and crowded seatings. So consider going to the main dining room if it's available, other eateries, some grab and goes. If you choose to go to the buffet, consider looking for your seat first before you get in your food so that you're not juggling your luggage as well as your food. Tip number 5. Once you're able to go into your cabin, make sure you inspect everything. Inspect your door, your balcony window, your bathroom, inspect your bed sheets. You want to make sure everything is clean and is working properly, so that way you're able to go to customer service and share any of your concerns so that they can get to it right away. Tip number 6, freshen up your cabin. So I recommend that you bring sanitizing wipes so that you can sanitize your table, your chair, your phone, your handles. The cabins are clean, but you can never be too clean. So bring those with you so you can sanitize and have that peace of mind. Tip number 7, don't forget that PooPourri spray. This is very similar to the courtesy flush. The bathrooms in the cabins are relatively small, and a lot of times when we use it, there are some odors that may linger. So that PooPourri spray would eliminate those odors and not mask it in. So, we good. Nobody's worried. Tip number 8, unpack your luggage on day 1. Now, some of you might be like, I'm not trying to unpack, I'm trying to have a good time, but I recommend that you keep yourself organized. Pull out your formal wear or your theme outfits, anything that needs to be pressed or steamed. You can ask your room steward for a steamer because you're not allowed to bring them onto the ship. It is a prohibited item. So ask for it on day 1 so you're not worried about on day 3 or 4. Tip number 9, use packing cubes. Now, I talk about packing cubes all the time. You might have heard it from other people, but they truly do keep you organized. But what I love most about the packing cubes, you can get different kinds, different colors, so that way you can separate and there's no confusion if you're traveling with your family. I personally, of course, when my kids were younger, I like to take all my formal wear and put them in one packing cube, as well as their theme matching outfits, and put them in one packing cube. That way I know for sure that everybody has their formal wear and their theme outfits, and I just hand it out to them. So we're not worried about nothing. If not, use the clear storage bags. You can get them from the Dollar Tree. You're able to put and separate all your clothes and just keep it organized. Tip number 10, consider using the hanging toiletry bags. It's easy access, space savers, and it keeps the mess off your countertops. I don't need to say anymore. My family and I are heading on a cruise in the next couple weeks, and I'm gonna have the girls in my cabin. So I am gonna be bringing the full size toiletry items so that I don't have to get any small ones. We're gonna share. Don't worry, I'm keeping my expensive creams at home. We're not wasting that. Tip number 11, bring magnet hooks. Your walls are magnetic, so you're able to use magnetic hooks to organize and keep stuff off the floor, such as your hats, your lanyards, your damp swimsuits. I like to use them to hang my cover-ups. If I don't have enough hangers, I can use those to help as well. Check out the link below. I do have some magnetic hooks that are great to use. Tip number 12, bring a portable hamper with you. This will keep you organized by keeping all of your dirty clothes contained in one area of the room. Tip number 13, bring your own wine bottle and or champagne. Now, each cruise line have a limited number of how many you can bring, so make sure you check on that first. I know hard liquor and beer is completely prohibited, so don't even try, but if you don't plan on purchasing the drink package, you can save some money. A great hack is purchasing Coke or some juice to create yourself some mimosas or a calimocho. If you don't know what that is equal parts red wine and Coke served over ice. You'll thank me later. Tip number 14 is airplane mode. Once you get on the ship and you go out to sea, your phone is going to be roaming and it's going to be racking up charges. So you want to make sure you keep your phone on airplane mode. You want to make sure your kids' phone's on airplane mode as well, so that there's no surprises when you get home. If you plan on purchasing the Wi-Fi package, I recommend that you purchase that in advance. There are discounts applied. And tip number 15, travel insurance. Definitely get you travel insurance. If something were to happen to you, your luggage is delayed, your flight has been canceled, you can be reimbursed. You don't want to lose all that money. So get yourself some travel insurance. You don't have to purchase the one that is connected to your cruise. You can go through third party. They have lots of good companies with good offers and good coverages. So definitely do your research and be safe. And a bonus tip is consider joining a Facebook group that is the same date and itinerary as you. You'll be able to meet some of the people before you get to cruise. You have that excitement. And also, if you have any questions, any hacks, you guys can share them in the groups. All right, y'all, that is it for the 15 cruise hacks and tips that I have for y'all. I hope you found some value in them. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know when I'm coming up again. I'll have some more reviews for you. Now, comment down below any tips or hacks that you want to share that I may have missed, and let's talk about it. Happy cruising.